to Aaron, steal. Eldama basket may kasama pang foul on number 7, Kokoy. First personal foul, first team foul.
Okay lang.
Good practice good. Parana dribbling the ball. Intercepted. 14 seconds to shoot. Eight to shoot. JJ, pass to Kokoy. Aaron, no good. Rebound, Aaron pa din. 2 points. Derek. Colano, 2 points. Aaron, 2 points. Scott, all 7.
Paano?
Kasi kung hindi mo kumano kasi nakawala yun.
Marvin, 2 points.
Habang wala akong ginagawa. Ayaw kumana. Noon?
Ilan natin? Malapit ako. Sorry.
Tama, to Alcantara. Pass to Marvin, no good. Dorian to Aaron. Aaron to Kokoy. To Dorian, no good. Rebound, check. Colano to Samson, no good. Rebound, Colano. No good pa rin. Rebound, JJ. Parana for 3. Batyaldama. Aaron, no good. Rebound. Nakuha ng ST. Bayo short. Marvin Samson.
Matay. Lagay mo dito. Ayaw nga pala.
14 to shoot. Aaron, 2 points. Rebound. Kokoy Enriquez. Derek, no good. Rebound. Steal by Crispin Paliago. Parala, pass to Kokoy. 14 to shoot. Pass to Parala for 3. Benden. Ang Gandama to Alcantara, no good. Parala, 2 points. Alcantara to Derek. Derek for 3. Finally. JJ to Kokoy, pass to Dorian. Tuwira ng 3. Basket. Derek to Samson. Ito pa, nakuha. Steal. Rosales, no good rebound by Aaron. Foul on number 18, Valeriano. First personal foul, first team foul.
May nakita ang cellphone.
Baka daw po may nakaiwan ng cellphone. May nakaiwan daw po ba ng cellphone sa toilet? Baka may nakaiwan ng phone sa toilet. Para no good. Baka po may nakaiwan ng phone sa toilet. Please let us know. Steal. Will Crispin, no good, rebound by Aaron.
Spider-Man niya. Kanya nga.
Burns to Valeriano, no good, rebound Burns. Pass to Rosales. No good, rebound by Crispin. 2 points. Kokoy. Pass to Parala. 10 to shoot.
After the first month, I have lost.
Foul number 44. Burns first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Aaron.
I just said to myself, I will do this. One more thing is the 28th.
First shot is good for Aaron. Second shot no good, rebound. Burns, 2 points. Steal by Derek. Samson, no good. Once the rebound, ang boy ni Derek, 2 points. End of the first quarter, official score 24-23. 1 point lead by Sad Master Greatness. Second quarter.
Kailangan na yata natin ng mas malaking shot clock. Mas malaking shot clock. Tayo na.
Ayaw ko.
Rosales to Samson, no good. Rebound.
Ayaw talaga dun. Kailangan nandun talaga.
Kaya 2 points. Alcantara, 2 points.
Joe. Wala, rebound naman. Pass to Rosales. Tulma, Gonzalez plays it up. It's good.
Second na pala.
Rosales, all alone. 2 points.
Ano score natin? 30-25.
Kayama, no good. Rebound Burns. Pass to Alcantara. Alcantara. Pass to Marvin. It's good. Two by Alcantara. Alcantara against Kokoy. Drive. It's foul. Who's caller? Foul number 14. Sublution. First shot is good.
Sino ba last game? Sino last game?
Two for two for Lemon. Official score 34-27. 9.8 by Salad Master Fitness. Marvin. 101. 2 points.
Saan kumain? Kumain niya naman. Sana all.
Burns. 3-2. Burns against Aaron. No good. Boyan. 3-2. Joey. Plays it up. It's good. Emma. Seconds. Out of bounds. Same ball. Poliano, 2 points.
Sino next game yan? Bigyan bola.
Samson, 2 points. Garcia, 2 points. Matt Aldama for 3. number 11. Substitution ref. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for Joey Garcia. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Rolling Burns for the lead.
Daril pa.
Parada to Aaron. Aaron to Horse. Samson to the next one. No good rebound. Christian Poliano. Aaron. Good off the ball, pero may foul. Foul on number 24, Alcantara. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Salad Master. Joey Garcia for 3. Tama to Samson. No good. Rebound. Substitution ref.
Nice resetting ko.
To shoot. Kayomo, pass to Joey. Joey, 2 points. 12-point lead by Salad Master. Alcantara to Samson, 2 points. To shoot. Parada no good. Burns to Poliano. Pass to Samson. 2 points. Kayomo no good. Steal. Poliano to Derek. Derek, 2 points. Steal by Alcantara, the direction, no good, rebound, Burns for 2 points. And of the first half, official score 60-40, 20-point lead by Salad Master Greatness. Third quarter.
Wala lang Salad Master. Sila yung nag-ano kanina.
Kakoy for 3. And for 3. Diretso. Wala. Aaron, 2 points. Tara, binigay kay Samson to Burns, 2 points. Pagkala no good. Samson, no good rebound by Aaron. Rosales for 3. No good, rebound.
Mga 34 sana eh. Ang kukunin ko sa amin. Akala ko hindi.
Nakita na? Tama ba?
Tama daw eh. Parang hindi na nga. Wala mo yung ginagawa.
Alcantara, 2 points.
Pwede naman umamin, di ba?
Cellphone niya. Yung cellphone ng kanila.
Aaron, 2 points.
Kaya nga eh. Mainit siya eh. Nalimutan ng bola.
Samson, 2 points.
May bola ako pero sino ba kita yung bola ko?
Meron ka ba kung hindi nakuha na ni Rainier eh.
Line violation.
Umuwi na siya.
Aaron, no good. Rebound, wala pa rin. Burns to Samson. No good, rebound. Villacorta. Gloria 14, no good, rebound. Burns 14, no good. Enriquez, no good.
Time out po? Time out daw. Time out kuya?
Timeout, SP Quality Care.
Pero gusto mo talaga, di takbo-takbo yun naman. Si Alvin, ganyan yung ginagawa. Oh, yung ganun.
Number 27 to number Parola, 3 points. Basket! Parola, 3 points!
Asa energy?
Number 13. 13. Number 18, 3 points. 18, 3 points! Our score is 77-52. In favor of Salam Master. But back to Samson. Layup, basket, number 13, 2 points. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining, starting third 13. Rosales. Nice pass by Rosales to number 18, 2 points. 81-52. Joey Garcia pass to their 2 points by number 1. Rosales. Oh, nice pass to Samson, 2 points. 85-52. Konti na naman. Joey, pass to Parada, 3-point shot. No good. Divided by Burns to Rosales. Oh, it's still by number 1. Number 1. 7 pala, sorry. 7, goes to goal, stay up. Basket by number 7. Nice stay up. Konti na lang.
Sabon na lang, sabon.
Eman, 3 points. Oh, nahiya. Pinasa kay Samson. Back to Burns. Burns, 3-point shot. No good. Top by Samson. Samson to Burns. Burns, layup. No good. Oh, Parada. Number 10. 3-point shot. Bang! 3 points! 26-point lead. Oh, 3 points! Rosales! Aray ko! Turnover. Salad master ball. 88-59. 1 minute left by third quarter. 3-point shot. 3 points! Number 18. Konti na lang. Magwa 100 na. Joey, coast to coast. Lagot. Lima by Burns. Burns. Number 18. 18. To Rosales. Rosales. To Samson. Layup. Basket. 2.5. Mr. Samson. Our score is 33-59. Off steal by Eman. Eman. To Burns. Layup. Basket by Burns. 5 points na lang. 100 na tayo. Ayun ang bala rin. Let's go. Yes, we go. Off spin. Eman still. 10 seconds. 9, 8. Rosales. 3-point shot. Wala. Samson. Bang! 2 points by Samson. 97-59. Ilan yung ulit? Dalawang 30? Ay, correct na yun. 40? Ay, 38. 38. Napalaban yung mathematics. 38. 38, di ba?
28.
28, di ba? 38.
60 na yun.
38. 38.
Ay, oo. 30.
Matalas pa rin yun. 38 point lead. Enjoyed by Salad Master. Okay na lang. Okay na lang. 100 na sila. Hindi ba? Ito pa lang. Rosales is bombing the game. Take the ball. Pass the Burns back to Rosales. Rosales underneath to Samson. 2 points by Mr. Samson. Turnover. Too strong. Only 40-point lead. Wow. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Mr. number 7. Aaron. Second shot by Mr. Aaron. No good. Rosales the first layup. Basket by Mr. Bird. 101. Okay na lang. 200 ang kailangan mo lang, 200 points. Evan, nahiya pa. Pinasa kay Rosales. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Tutok. 2 points. Evan still. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Mr. Aaron. Aaron Poor. Aaron. Paso. Para. 3-point shot. Bang. 3 points. Score is 103. 62. Oh. Number 10 to number 14 to Joey. Turnover. Number 18, 3-point shot. Bang! 3 points! Joey, 3 points. Wala. Rosales, 3-point shot again by number. Wala. This time. Samson, basket, 2 points by Mr. Samson. 108-62. Burns. Wala. Fouled by number 27. 27 to Joey. Joey. Oh, sorry. Konti lang. Evan. Wala. Rebound by Rosales. To Alcantara. Put up 2 points by Mr. Alcantara. Oh, binato ang referee.
Galit kayo sa amin.
May galit yata ang Leo.
Sorry ah.
Mali-mali ba yung score mo eh?
Mali-mali pa
2
yan.
points. Samson. Aaron. Coast to coast. Layup. Basket. Nice layup. Mr. Red.
Kaya lang po pala eh.
Evan to Burns. Wala. Top to Rosales. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa Mr. Aaron.
Gawin pa rin yan.
Aaron. Pass to Joey. 2 points. Score is 112-66. 5 minutes and 30 seconds left on the fourth quarter. Evan for 3. 3 points by Evan Alcantara. Mr. Kobe Alcantara. Number 10, Parama. Showing his dribbling ability. Pass to Joey Garcia. Bang! Joey Garcia. 3 points. Eman. Wala. To Rosales for 3. Wala rin. Rebound by number 18. Samson, 2-point shot. Bang! 2 points for Mr. Samson. 117-69. Parada for 3. Bang! 3 points. Mr. Parada.
Nakakarami na yan ah.
Number
Nakakapitong tres na yan.
18. Rosales pass to Samsung. In and out. To bounce up to number 27. Number 27 to Aaron. Aaron, line up. Basket by Mr. Aaron. Burns to Rosales for 3. No good. Eman to Rosales, 2 points. Mr. Rosales.
Hanggang 160 lang yung
200 niya limit nila, 200 points. Oh, no good. Lay up by Mr. Alcantara. No good. Rosales, lay up. Basket. 121-74.
Oo nga, sinusunod na lang ni Dane. Basta.
Alright! Wala. Power to by number 18 si Burns. Burns, 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound by Eman to Samsung, 2 points. Ah, wala pala, sorry. Rebound by Mr. Aaron. Almost a steal. Joey Garcia to number 27, basket. 2 points, number 27. Number 18. 3-point shot. Bang! 3 points. Juliano, 3 points. Steal by Mr. Eman. 3 points. No good. Rebound by Mr. Aaron. Aaron going to Mr. number 27. 2 points. Number 27. To Collado. Collado. Pass to Rosales. Back to Collado. Bang! Collado. 3 points. Konti na lang. Magiging 150 na. Aaron. Layup. Pass. Eman. No good. Rebound by Mr. Aaron to number 27. 27 to Caraca. 3-point shot. Wala. Birds rebound. Pass to Collado. Wala. Rebound by number 14 to Aaron. Oh, nagkagawa sila. 27 basket. 127-82. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Rosales to Eman. Wala. Tasha. Burns. 3 points. Wala. Burns again. Eman for 3. Bang! 130-82. 3 points by Mr. Aaron Alcantara. Almost a steal. Aaron to Joey Garcia. 3 points. Bang! Joey, 3 points. Eman to Collado. Basket. 2 points, Mr. Collado. 30 seconds left. Three-point shot. Bang! 3 points by Mr. Joey Garcia. Yellow. No good. Aaron to Joey. Joey for 3. Basket. 3 points by Joey Garcia. Bang! 3 points counted. Alcantara, 3 points.